Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Pooja Keto Yogi. Today we will talk about the benefits of fasting. If you think the information in this video will be helpful to someone else, please share this video with them. If you like my video, if you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's talk about fasting today. But before we get into that, let's answer a very important question. Why does everybody need to fast today? Throughout human history, we never had so much food readily available to us. As a result of that, we are consuming a lot of food today. Not only are we consuming a lot of food, we are no more concerned about nutrition. What we are eating is really detrimental to our own health. The food industry has been focused on sugary foods and high trans fat and high carb foods. These foods are really harmful to us, but they are highly palatable. That's why we eat and consume these on a regular basis. In fact, a lot changed when health guidelines started prescribing 6 meals a day instead of 2 meals a day to everyone. Because of this huge change in our diet and our already sedentary lifestyle, we have become very much prone to chronic illnesses. Chronic illnesses and hormonal imbalances have become common in every household. This is why fasting has become so important for everyone today. Because of this constant consumption of food, our digestive system, our pancreas, all of our organs do not catch a break at all. You cannot just continuously keep on feeding your body with the morning tea, the lunch, the evening snacks, and then the evening coffee, and then the dinner. Our body is not meant to handle so much of constant food. All of our organs, especially our pancreas, are overworked because of this. They have to constantly keep on producing insulin, and since most of our foods are high in sugar, high in carbohydrates, pancreas have to work really hard to compensate for that. Because of this, our pancreas have become increasingly inefficient at their work, and they need to produce more and more insulin, but they are unable to do that. What fasting does is, it gives your organs a major break that they desperately need. Our organs use this break to recuperate, to heal themselves and work far more efficiently for your next meal. Fasting is also a foolproof way for guaranteed fat loss, because since you are not eating in fasting, you are not consuming any carbohydrates, your body starts tapping into the fat reserves for energy. This helps and aids in fat loss. A person can lose up to half kg of body fat in just one day of fasting. Fasting also helps regulate blood sugar levels. It can even prevent and also cure diabetes. How that happens is, during fasting, since you are not eating anything, your blood sugar levels already normalize with time. Also, since with fasting your pancreas are getting a break, they start working far more efficiently when you eat. Since with fasting your pancreas start working better, you can easily prevent diabetes. If you follow a regular regimen of fasting, you can even cure diabetes. There are many doctors across the world who use the fasting strategy in order to cure diabetes in their clinics. The most famous one is Dr. Jason Fung. He has written multiple books on this topic, and you should really check him out. Fasting can also enhance brain functions and increase focus. How that happens is, when your body is running on carbohydrates, it runs on glucose as fuel. But when your body is running on fat, it uses ketones as fuel. And your brain always loves ketones more than carbs. Your brain functions far better on ketones rather than carbs. That's why you will see a huge difference in your brain functions and your focus when you're fasting. One of the gigantic benefits of fasting is autophagy. I will link another video over here. What autophagy does is, it recycles the old and damaged cells across your body. As a result of that, you can easily slow down and delay your aging. Autophagy can start as early as 20 hours into the fast. So even if you are aiming for a 24-hour fast, you can claim a lot of the benefits of fasting. Fasting also reduces the probability of cancer. In fact, it can reduce the size of cancer tumors for many types of cancers. Why that happens is because cancer cells need carbohydrates in order to grow. So when you are fasting, you are depriving your body of carbohydrates which the cancer cells really need. As a result, the tumors start shrinking. There have been many cases reported across the world where people have actually shrunk and cured their cancers just using fasting. Fasting massively increases your immunity. In fact, after 3-day fast or 72-hour fast, your immune system is completely reset and regenerated. The longer you fast, the massive the benefits get. With just a 24-hour fast, you already have autophagy in the picture. You can reduce inflammation throughout your body in a 24-hour fast. You can even start healing across your body. If you go further than 24 hours, your body will start tapping more and more into the fat resources of the body. You will also have massive inflammation reduction across your body. You will also have a lot of gut healing that starts during this time. Your brain will start functioning far better than it was. In fact, if you cross 48 hours, you can see a reduction in cancer tumors and cancer cells. You can also see an increase in mitochondria and you will have far more energy. Benefits of a 72-hour fast are massive. Not only will you experience maximum autophagy during this time, even your white blood cells start regenerating and recycling during this time. With a 72-hour fast, your immune system completely regenerates and resets itself. As a result, you get massive increase in immunity. It never ceases to surprise me how many wonders our body is capable of, especially if we are not eating. If you think the information in this video will be helpful to someone else, please share this video with them. If you like my video, if you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.